Ice special, amazing. Elevator. Right down on the Elizabeth line. Ice special. Journey. Elizabeth Underground line. UK 2025. Like your stuff like that, that's okay. You squash on sign jets. That's the elevator over there. Isolator. Well, that's the escalator. Pretty cool, isn't it? I'm going down here. So the Elizabeth line. This is much nicer way to travel in London City now. And on wider open platforms. And capacity is brilliant. Service is amazing. It goes all the way up to on the East Anglia line and goes to on the Reading line. You squash outside, Jeff. Whoa. This is cool. Super cool. Yeah, guys. Squash outside. Hey, Jeff, let's where's the go for this? This is my way happy. Now I'm in the Elizabeth Underground. Right. That was amazing, that. Cool and rock and roll. It was amazing. Squash outside.